Hey friends, welcome. My name's Chris Jantzen. I'm here to help you out with a variety of things. I'd like to just give you a quick explanation of some of the skills, the reasons you might want to connect with me. On the fire sprinkler drafting, I move along pretty well on the 13D work, and I can help you with all your basic tools and basic commands. And because it's all something I've been learning in the last year or two, that it's all real fresh for me. So I'm a good person to go to with the beginner type stuff, basic advice, and love to help people out. I'm easy to chat with, easy to talk to, and I got a lot to share. So if you're just getting started as a beginner and you're struggling with some of the basics, I'm a great person to help you out because I've just been through this recently and conquered a lot of the problems you're probably running into right now. So you might want to connect with me to get that extra boost you need. I'm a Mac user and a PC user, so I might be able to help some of you Mac users out there with some of the difficulties and differences between most of the teaching and MCAT is done from PCs. So I'm kind of the on-staff Mac guy, and if I can't get your answer, I'll get it for you. I know the right people to go to. Now, a lot of this work is just figuring out how to get to the answers, and that's one thing I'm good at. I'm a problem solver. I also had some pretty specialized knowledge in the field of ergonomics. If you're struggling with setting up your workstation, what type of technology to purchase or buy, or how to set your workstation in such a way that you feel good and it's fun to work there. I'm someone who's really excited about that, and I can help you get things set up and then make some recommendations. In our business here at MCAD, I've taken on the job of making phone calls and talking to new clients. And that's something I might be able to help you out with if you're starting your career as a drafts person trying to find work. I created a routine, a basic way to go about that. And so if you're new to drafting and you're looking for work, I'll have some ideas to help you get started and how to make your first contacts with customers. Another thing I have to offer for you is I've spent my whole life in the construction trades as a carpenter, as a framer, everything from framing walls to roofs, even hand cut roofs. I've worked on commercial structures, I've worked on custom buildings, and everything from finished carpentry, doors, windows. And so I have quite a bit of experience in the field. So I might be able to help you out if you're looking for some specific advice or solve some problems relating to construction projects, reading blueprints, talking and dealing with contractors. These are all things I have quite a bit of an experience with, even being a foreman on pretty large jobs. Another skill I might be able to help you out with is I'm pretty good with people, intercommunication skills, how to type something up, how to write a letter, how to communicate with people. Hit me up and we'll schedule a time, and I'll look forward to chatting with you and helping you out with your project. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks.